fill the information. So in this lesson we are going to fill our additional information for our user. But the first thing, we are going to group these ones in the single group, call it info, and probably create another group, call it left sidebar, and add this to this group. Alright, so now let's open up our internet browser and search for the icon. So we are on the flaticon.com, where you can search all over the free icons, but also you should add an additional attribution for them. For the author, make sure you do that. So the first thing what we need to do is to find those icons. So the first one is going to be an edit profile. So just write down edit. Let's see what we got here. Maybe if we write profile. No. Let's add some of those pens. Alright, so which one we are going to use? Maybe this one. Alright, so this one looks kind of good, and we are still downloading and using those awesome icons from Freepik. So yet again, please make sure you check them out. And if you are using their icons, please give them an additional attribution or required attribution for them. So I mean, you should do that, because we are giving you free icons, and the one thing you need to do is to add attribution for them. So make sure you do that. So okay, we have this icon, press on PNG and 128 pixels. Close this window. Now we need to add another option. Is going to be add topic. So let's write down add. And we have those pluses. So this one maybe. Alright, this one looks like this. What about this one? Which one is better? This one or this one? Well, probably we need to stick to this one. And the author is Katalin Fertu. Excuse me if I have spelled it wrong. You have awesome icons. Please check him out on the Flaticon. And let's download the file, PNG file, 128 pixels. The next thing what we need to do is to add a settings. Settings is going to be this gear one. Alright, so let's add this one. It's already by Freepik. PNG file, 128 pixels. When about, probably we need to write down profile. Maybe we'll use this one. I mean, what about this one? Yeah, this one looks better. And it's by Ciro Herrera. Please check him out. Also, awesome designers. They are giving you free icons, so that's the power of the internet. So please make sure you are on this, and please make sure you also check their websites. You see he's have a lot of other stuff. PNG file, 128 pixels. And the last thing what we need to do is to add a logout. Logout, and we are going to use this one. And it's by a Freepik. Freepik also has its own website, so please make sure you check them out. Awesome looking website. Alright, so we have all our icons, and now we need to add them to our mobile design. The first one is going to be an edit profile. Let's scale it down a little bit. Per center, we'll choose this one. Scale it up. Add topics. Make sure you align it right. Maybe about this one we will see when we add our actual text. Settings. We are going also to change the color to white. Let's add two more, the profile, and it's going to be an about the actual app, some additional information about how maybe the app, Facebook page, Twitter page, all the social stuff. And the last one is logout, and logout we are going to place it at the bottom of the screen. Alright, we have these ones. Now let's change the colors to white. All of those. Also, if you are going to export everything for the developer, and also I'm going to show you how to do this, it's probably a better way to change the color is just double click on it and change it from here. As you can see, I can change the color to white. Like it. And now the last one. Last one is going to be our logout icon. And now let's add some text. Grab your type tool and edit profile. Change the text to maybe light. Scale it up. Nudge it over to the center of from the icon. Maybe a little bit offset. Now add another one. I'm going to just duplicate this layer. Alright, double click on it. Change the text to add topics. The third one is going to be settings. The fourth one is going to be our information or about. And the last one is going to be a logout, so the user can log out from its account safely. Log out. So there we have it, our awesome looking navigation drawer. If you see something we could change to look better, to look our navigation drawer to look better, please make sure you do that. And if you have some other ideas, please make sure you write it down in the discussion section to the right of this lesson, of this lecture. And yeah, please make sure you are active. The main reason for this course is to make you active, and don't sit down and don't just watch what I do. The best practices come from actually practicing this stuff on your own, so it's going to make a bigger dividends for you. So this was the last section, the last lecture of this section, and we have already done all of the 5 screens for this app. And in the next lesson I'm going to show you, finally I'm going to show you how to make some money from these designs. And also you probably want to group them a little bit, but I'm not going to do that, just do it yourself. And I hope you'll see you there, and it's going to be probably a last section for our course. Maybe yes, maybe not. And yeah, bye bye.